Hi, my name is Christopher Chance, and I'm a senior here at UTSA. I'm currently working on my bachelor's degree in multidisciplinary studies using business, communication, and data science. I'm hoping to graduate by next December 2026. After graduation, I'm hoping to continue my education. I've already started looking at programs like an MBA, either with UTSA or another university in the San Antonio area. My professional world, not only will the skills I'm learning right now help me with my current job, but I hope it will help me further my career in the medical field. In my profession, I'm most passionate about process improvement and IT. I think those things work really well together. And with those two together, there's nothing you can't accomplish, at least in my world. One of the moments, I guess you could call it a hero's moment, we were having an issue with a software we had, Salesforce, and the whole company just needed it to work better as a whole. The challenge was twofold. I first had to get with senior leadership and really see what they wanted, what their goals were out of this product that we had already paid for and been using it for a few years. The second part was getting with my peers and finding out the reasons and the hurdles why they weren't using the product at all or correctly. I slowly started meeting with them. I created some super users that were able to even work with the peers. So it didn't have to just be me working with a team, but we had multiple peers. By the end of it, we were able to really find out all the issues. We were able to create process improvements throughout the project, utilizing IT to really get this product not just something that they had to use, but they wanted to use, and it made their job better. And at the end of it, that also provided all the reports that our senior leadership required from this software. So, how did I respond or take action? Once I found out that nobody else was up to the task, it was a very easy step up and take charge and make sure it just got done. It not only was it the best thing for the company, it helped me in the long run too. Not just with my current job, but showing my worth in the company. I learned that it takes a lot of planning and a lot of communication to really accomplish something like this. And that's making sure that it's actual communication, not just talking to people, but actually working with those communication skills that I know we'll be learning more about this semester, from interpersonal to groups and more. So I've got many communication goals, but the top three that we're going to pick today is public speaking. I really need to remind myself a lot of times to slow down, and I've been working on that for quite a while now. Besides reminding myself to slow down, I'd like to learn more about the mass communication, how not just being somebody that does public speaking, but maybe studies it and hopefully masters it. Um, I think that would be the key to my success. The next one is listening, getting back to the basics. As I've gotten older, I catch myself knowing where the conversation's going, and I want to skip to the end like one of those videos or skipping an ad on YouTube. I need to remember, like in customer service, it may be the 10th time you've heard the same thing and you already know the answer and you just want to get to the finish line. I need to remember that might be the first time this person's communicating that, and there may be a different communication in there, something new, but if nothing else, it makes sure we both get to the finish line and get communication correctly, because I have seen where if I try to jump to the finish line, sometimes they won't open up the next time we're talking. And it's just that talking, not communication. Conflict management was my third pick on communication goals. I've been told I've got the skill and I'm very good at it, but I'd like to be great at it. Years ago, I took a class on crucial conversations. It was a 3 day class, so much fun. Learned a lot, not just professionally, but in my personal life. Those keeping those skills current is very helpful. Learning that sometimes there's tough conversations that have to be had, but there are ways of doing it to be most effective. I'm really looking forward for the semester and everything we're going to learn. I wish everybody good luck and go Roadrunners.